Hey guys, Chad with Pure Media Systems. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're out in Frisco, Texas, and we're going to be installing the Red Atom Red6Land landscape speaker system. So we're going to be doing the Red Atom Red6Land system. So this is going to be a 4.1 system out here powered by a Sonos amp. We've got the 6.5-inch landscape speakers. I'll have all the information below, but you can see here it's a really great value system. It's got four 6.5-inch speakers. It's a two-way system, so it's got the 6.5-inch woofer with the 0.75-inch tweeter. It's all marine grade. It's rated to be outside. It's just a great system here. It's a 16 ohm, so you can actually run this as a 6.2 system very easily. Our showroom has it in a 6.1 system. I will have that installation video as well, so make sure to subscribe so you can see that system. And then the dual voice coil 12-inch barrel rated sub. We only run, our preference is running ICE barrel rated cable for our installs here, so it's a great system. We've got 14.4 run 14 gauge cable in this situation. We are going to go through the wall here. There's a space in a cabinet right up here, right above the cabinet where there's electrical already. We're just going to go right down the downspout and straight down into the flower beds. I'm going to have the subwoofer over there, two speakers over here, and then we're going to have a speaker on either side over here in the rock. So we're already trenching the yard here for that. We've got space here and over there for the speakers, all the way around the pool. So we've got a status report. We've got our speakers placed. We've got one there and one over here. We've got the cable actually already, the trench just laid in there. We'll go back and backfill it, but we've got the line, the barrier rated cable in the ground that we separated all the way around. We're getting ready to go up underneath to go into the flower bed here, going underneath the border. And we have our hole dug over here. So we've got it down. We're going to go ahead and fill the bottom with gravel so that for proper drainage, and then start backfilling it. All right, so we've got our subwoofer here. We've got the coupler on there with the hose with the clamps. We have our gravel backfilled. It's about 3 inches of gravel. 2 to 3 inches of gravel, which is perfect. So we're going to go ahead and get it leveled in there and start backfilling it. We've got paver sand so for proper drainage and everything else. It'll be really nice in here. All right, so we've got our subwoofer in. We have it leveled, and we're going to start backfilling it. Again, we've got our gravel on the bottom. We've got our cable out, and we're going to go ahead and start filling it in. So on the other side of this wall is the downspout. The gutter's right here, goes right along right about here. The access point that's outside is literally right about here. So we're going to go right above the cabinet. There's already an electrical outlet up here. We're just going to put the Sonos amp right there. Makes it nice and easy, great Wi-Fi coverage out here, and just makes it a much easier installation for going outside. So we've used our magnet spot and determined that right about here, along with the window line, top of the window, right about there, and that's where the hole is on the other side. So we're going to go ahead and get the drill out so we can go ahead and get that going. All right, so our cable is through. We've got it on the inside on top of the cabinet. We're going to put our Sonos amp, and we're going to go ahead and get everything ready so we can start tacking everything up and get everything set up. So we're finishing up, just buttoning everything up. We've got one speaker here, another one over here, and over here, got another speaker right there. We've got our sub, the 12-inch sub, and then another speaker right here, so which covers our lounge area here. We're going to finish this and put some more mulch back on top of this so it's all covered up. Of course, we did networking here a few years ago. We've got a Arachnus outdoor WAP here. Cable actually goes down the downspout and right there. Can't really even notice it. It blends in nicely there. So we've got the silicone, and then we put the dust from the mortar that we drilled out and put it right on top of it, so it blends in real nicely there. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can put on a demo for you here. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in a system like this and you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, please give us a call at 972-905-0556 or email sales@puremediasystems.com. We're authorized dealers for Red Atom, Sonos, Klipsch, Control4, all the other products you see in all of our videos. If you're interested in any of the products or just interested in services or design services, anything like that, don't forget to give us a call. To give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos. Thanks, guys.